Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. If you've got the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. It is also highlighted. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So after tapping on it we can open more options. We've got 3 of them: 1080p, which is currently applied, 720p and 4K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted. It is also visible right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.